Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aprilia Cahya Ningrum. Here I want to tell a story entitled The Melancholic of Mother's Birth. On a sunny afternoon, a mother pigeon is incubating her eggs. Once she went to search for food and left her eggs in her lair. Not long after, a parasitic bird is flying in search of a nest to incubate her eggs. Then the bird saw a nice nest on top of one of the trees around it. However, the nest already contains eggs that are none other than eggs from pigeons. Then, without guilt, she immediately dropped the pigeon eggs and replaced them with her eggs. After that, she left the nest and didn't return. After finishing looking for food, the mother pigeon returns to her nest and returns to incubating the eggs without realizing that the eggs have been replaced by parasitic birds. Day after day passed, the egg finally hatched. The mother pigeon is very excited to see it. The more days, the birds grow large. The mother pigeon began to realize something weird. It seems like the birds don't have the same body shape as her. She said, "Why don't they look like me?" Suddenly, the mouse deer paused. Hearing the words of the mother pigeons, she also asked the mother pigeons, "Why are you moody, mother pigeon?" The mother pigeon said, "I have children who don't look like me." The mouse deer also asked, Is it true that your son?" "Of course, I incubate it every day," said the mother's pigeon. "Someone could have swept it," the mouse deer said. "What do you mean?" asked the mother pigeon. "Mother pigeon, as you fly in search of food, the parasitic bird comes and drops your eggs and replaces them with their eggs," answered the mouse deer. "I saw it by accident while I was looking for food." The mouse deer continued. "Is that right?" asked the mother pigeon once again. "Yes, it's definitely true. You don't believe me?" asked the monkey. "I was with him looking for food," said the mouse deer as she walked away leaving the mother pigeon. Instantly, the mother pigeon felt sad. Hearing that fact, the mother pigeon was not angry though. She continues to care for the parasitic chicks well and lovingly until they grow up. The moral value, the more can be learned from the story, is not to be dissolved in sadness, learn to accept the reality with relief. It's all from me. I hope you can learn a lesson from the story earlier. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.